Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jay and today I'm gonna to show you how I made sleeveless ruffle shirt for girls, and I upload free patterns from 1 to 6 years old in my page. Please click the link in the description box to download the patterns. I hope you love this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on a new video every week. And let's get started. I use a basic pattern from ebook drafting pattern for men's and children wear. Firstly, I mark the point from the underarm point down to 6 centimeters. Then draw a line right angle to the center back. I mark the point from the shoulder point to 1 centimeters. This is a new armhole. Then cut out the back pattern. Then I make the front pattern. Next, I cut a rectangle with a length equal waistline multiplied by 1.5 and the width equal to top length. Is ruffle pattern. Next, I cut a rectangle with a length equal neckline multiplied by 1.5 and the width of 7 centimeters. It's ruffle 1 pattern. Next, I cut a placket pattern with a width of 4 centimeters. I use cotton fabric for this project. I cut out 3 strips of fabric diagonally to the width of 3 centimeters. Cut garment pieces from fabric as indicated on listed pattern pieces. Add 0.7 cm seam allowance at edges and let the center line up the front, and cut 4 fabric pieces to make the bows. With right sides together, the front and the back, I sew the shoulder seams, then zigzag the raw edges. Next, I fold the edges of the ruffle 1 inside 0.7 centimeters. Then sewing. Then make the gathering stitch. Next, I pin and sew the wrong side of the ruffle to the right side of the top. Right sides together, then sewing. Then turn right side out and press. Next, I fold the edges inside 1 cm, then fold in half and press. Then sew them with the top. Make the bias step for the neckline. Repeat for the armholes. Right sides together, the front and the back. I sew the side seams. After that, I sew the side seams of the ruffle. Then make the rotary stitch. Then sew the top and the ruffle together. understitch. Lastly, I sew the hem and make the buttons. We are done. I hope you enjoy watching and see you next time. Bye!